Guys, David here from Sunshine Acres, down here at Digzilla, having a look around at the mighty V1000. Just sort of go over through a few specs with you while I do a walk around. 1690 kilos in weight. This one comes with a Perkins engine, or you can get the Kubota D902. Top speed, stated from the factory, is 5.8 kilometres. It comes with a Hansa pump and a concentric auxiliary pump. The main pump is a plunger style pump. The drive motors are a Danfoss Impro pump. The flow rate is 48 litres per minute to the drive motors and the booms, and the auxiliary flow rate is 56 litres per minute, more than enough to run a heavy duty mulcher like this. This one has the float control, very simple to operate. Just push the lever all the way forward, just like a tractor, if you've ever used a tractor or any other of those other devices. And this one has a vertical lift. You'll notice in the back here, the arms actually come backwards and forwards, move back, so it's not a radial lift, it's a vertical lift, so you can lift straight up and down. That's great for when you're moving loads of material around or using the pallet forks. Basic walk around. Your tracks are quite heavy duty. There is a new upgraded track. New future models will have a different style of track, but the current models like this, got your 5 rollers across the bottom with your adjuster at the back, and you've got your triangle track design and a grease style adjuster. Controls are very basic up here, typical pilot controls, forwards, backwards, left, right, boom, up, down, dump, and curl. Your standard set of gauges. Unlike the XC1100, you don't have to wait for any computers to boot up. You can just simply power this guy on when you need it, and your throttle control over here. There's very limited access in the back, but you do have this nice screen to protect your radiator. Double set of counterweights to assist in lifting capacity. It is pretty cramped under the engine here. You've got your Donaldson style filter and a really large battery. Refueling is done from inside here, and your safety switch is inside here as well. As you can see, this one has the Perkins. There's our fuel filter up there. We also have a large canister type hydraulic filter, which is really easy to access, and the oil filter is a bit further down. It's not actually a horrendous job to remove, but it is quite difficult. The dipstick's quite easy to access. Everything's nice and tidy in here. The hood is nice and heavy duty, and it is on lifts. There's your hydraulic tank down inside. Overall, it's a very good looking machine. It's quite a big beast. And out the front here is where your hydraulic oil is checked. Tie downs are done by a central one there in the middle, or we have 2 tie down points on each side here. Also on the rear, we have tie down points down low if you have a machinery style trailer, and we got a higher tie down point if you had just a standard box trailer. We're not going to give this one a run today. You've seen plenty of these being run on Greg's channel, so jump on his channel. He loves his V1000. He's got hundreds of videos of him using this machine. Something else I'd like to note is you've got the small little plate up here, which would be great for dumpy level if you needed to fine tune your grading. I think also they might use it for a excavator attachment or backhoe attachment that can go on the front. But this is where you'd put your dumpy level if you want to do final grades. If you enjoy this content, give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for your support, and head on over to our Facebook groups, Mini Skid Steers Down Under. Pinned to the top are some links to some extra groups, the Buy, Swap and Sell page and the Derette group. Thank you guys, have a wonderful day.